Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap, and this is in the continuation of the 5-minute series, and the topic of today is the difference between aquaculture and pisciculture. To our new audience, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss any video, and you can also join to our Telegram channel where you can find free study material related to your respective examination. Are you feeling lucky today? Do try your luck with us and you can get up to 50% off on the NABARD Grade A 2021 course and the combo course provided by us. To spin the wheel, the link is given below in the description box. Okay, so this aquaculture and pisciculture is part of your syllabus for NABARD Grade A 2021. But the basic difference, students, they don't know that what is the difference between an aquaculture and a pisciculture. Okay, so here is this particular slide regarding it. Okay, so if you look at the pictures, aquaculture, you can look it as a broader term. Okay, or in a way, you can say that pisciculture, it is a part of aquaculture only. But what is the main difference between these two? See what happens in aquaculture. Aqua means what? Aqua means water, water related to something water. Okay, right. So in aquaculture, what happens? Everything that is present inside the water, it is reared and cultivated and harvested. Or in simple term, if I would say, I can say that is the farming of water, right? That like you do agriculture in which you do farming or you do cultivation on land, but similarly if you're doing so in water, we would give that term in a layman language, we would call, yeah, that this is called what? Aquaculture. Okay, and what is pisciculture? Pisciculture, in pisciculture, only fishes are being cultivated or reared. Okay, so this is the basic difference between an aquaculture and a pisciculture. We'll look on the difference more clearly. Okay, so what is aquaculture and pisciculture difference? So first statement says that it is the process by which commercially valuable flora and fauna is bred. What is flora and fauna? Flora means plant and fauna means animals. Okay, so in aquaculture, not only animals but plants, they are also being cultivated, bred, reared and harvested. Okay, in salt water and fresh water. Salt water is basically the brackish water. Okay, and what? And fresh water. While in pisciculture is the culturing of fish in tanks or enclosure fish ponds to obtain fish products as a food source. So basically the clear difference that you can see, that in pisciculture what we do, we make artificial ponds, artificial tanks. Okay, and in that we rear what? We rear fish, and for what? Of course for food source. Okay, second difference is that produce both commercially valuable flora and fauna. See, in aquaculture what we do flora and fauna, we cultivate flora and fauna, while in pisciculture we cultivate only fish and fish related products. Okay, so the first difference was like aquaculture, as you can see in the picture also. Okay, it is not constrained to a particular area. Okay, it is done in a large water body. Okay, while in pisciculture we make artificial ponds and artificial things. Okay, next is the difference between we can look at the examples and try to differentiate between aquaculture and pisciculture. So the examples of aquaculture are fishes. We can grow fishes, we can cultivate crustaceans, mollusks, aquatic plants, whatever we can grow under aquaculture. While in pisciculture, now there only be fish, and now we can grow or cultivate the varieties of fishes, for example like carp, cod, salmon, catfish, etc. Okay, so if you look at the examples, one side I have aquaculture made, and on the other side I have made pisciculture made. Okay, so in aquaculture, the first two, these are examples of crustaceans that you can see. Then we have mollusk, we have flora also that we talked about, plants. Okay, water plants. Then we have what? Then we have fishes also. Okay, that comes under aquaculture. It does not mean that in aquaculture fish won't come, because it is a part of pisciculture. When you are doing specifically of fishes, then it is known as pisciculture. Okay, so in pisciculture we are looking at, there are different photos. Okay, and here we have, this is carp. Okay, and these are, see, these all are the species, different species of fishes. Then this is salmon. Okay, then this is catfish. We have here cod, and at last we have rohu. Okay, so I hope the difference is clear between aquaculture and pisciculture. Okay, that is the most confusing topic in fisheries that people get confused of, right? So this is all for today. I hope you like this particular topic, and now your doubts are cleared. We'll meet again with the next topic. Until then, thank you and keep watching EduTap.